In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add a week based on your crop planner into your inventory. So as a farmer, click on inventory and it's going to show you everything that you have for sale. Now remember, florists are encouraged to use the wish list ahead of time and place those orders as far in advance as they want to, and then you can approve those and convert that wish list to an order. But otherwise, you can add inventory that they can shop without having to confirm anything. So click on Plan Your Week and scroll through the date, and it would be the target date that they would pick something up. And it's exactly what falls within that range. And then this is the availability week when they search on it. So this is everything that is projected in your crop planner. There are 25 crops that should be blooming during that week. You can select all, or you can click on them one by one, and then go ahead and edit the quantity, edit the price. Sometimes you might be willing to drop the price once it's a little bit closer, if it's the week of, or if you have kind of a bumper crop. And then you can go ahead and add those crops to inventory. And again, those are things that they can just shop for. You do still have to approve all of the orders, of course, but this is something compared to a wish list where they're just saying, hey, I want to get next in line. This is something that they're actually claiming. And then if they place an order and you approve it, then it adjusts that quantity that they see available. Now, after you add it from that general inventory, go in, edit it, edit the auto remove after date. If you only want to hold them in the cooler a certain amount, if you don't want people shopping for them later, adjust that quantity and go ahead and save that. So that is how you can plan a week based on your crop planner into your inventory.